So last week has been pretty rough for the small cap and mid cap stocks, and almost every stock in this category took a bad beating and they are down by at least 10%. But the stocks which are fundamentally strong have recovered very well in the last 2 days, that is Thursday and Friday. So the optimistic side about this scenario is that this gives us a very good opportunity to invest in stocks at a very good level, which you may not be able to grab at this level if this downfall would not have happened. So in this video I am going to bring two stocks from two different sectors which you can consider investing, which are at a very good level. So I'll do the fundamental and the price action analysis both of these stocks, and this will definitely serve you and give you an opportunity to make a quality investment. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So in this video I'm going to give you two stocks of different sectors. So first one is pharma sector, and that is Marksans Pharma. So this is a mid cap company. Okay, it was a small cap a few weeks back. Now it has turned into a mid cap and the market cap has gone above 5,000 crores. So it can be called as a mid cap stock. Okay, now coming to the main strength of the stock, let us discuss the fundamentals first. Okay, so I have done a complete separate video on this stock earlier. Also I'll share that link. Okay, so the current market price is 145.60 with a market cap of 6,598 crores. The reserves it has is excellent, 1,830 crores, and a very small debt of just 111 crores. That's why the debt to equity ratio is excellent, 0.06. Okay, last 3 years sales average has been decent, 17.76. Profit average has been 30.05, which is good, and earning per share average growth has been 25.71. So all these numbers are looking pretty good. Okay, return on asset average for 3 years has been 16.40, which is a good number. Return on capital employed 27.93. Okay, very good number. So these numbers are clearly telling that Marksans Pharma is actually a strong company, fundamentally strong company, and is a growing company. Okay, interest coverage ratio, this is 49.52. This is an excellent number. Okay, current ratio is 5.12. This is also excellent. Okay, operating profit margin is a healthy 21.80%. You can see it is above the median, that is 15.03. Okay, so all these numbers are clearly telling Marksans Pharma is looking strong as of now. Now the promoter holding is 43.85%. Okay, this is slightly lower than 50%, but that is fine. Altman Z score 7.97, again a good number. So the fundamentals numbers are very strong as of now. Now we have to see if this company has been growing year on year or not. So let us consider the last 3 years data. Okay, so from 2022 to 2023, okay, the sales have improved from 1491 crores to 1852 crores. Then it went up further to 2103 crores in the trailing 12 months. And similarly, the operating profit has also increased from 259 crores to 340, then 458. So clearly there is strong growth in operating profit as well. And not only that, we are getting to see growth in operating profit margin as well, 17% to 18%, then 22%. So all these numbers are clearly suggesting Marksans Pharma has been growing strongly for the past 3 years. And obviously we just saw the 3 years average growth in earning per share, that has also gone up from 4.51 to 5.88, then 7.01. Okay, now let's check the shareholding pattern and see what is the change in the last 3 quarters. Okay, so we'll consider June, September and December. So we are getting to see that the promoters holding is consistent at 43.85%, but the FIs have increased their stake from 14.90 to 15.07% and then 15.55% in December quarter, which is a very good thing. So that means the smart money is increasing the stake in this company, and they are more interested, and also they feel that this company has a promising future. That's why they are increasing the stake. And same we are getting to see in the DII's case as well, 3.65% to 4.02%, then 4.76%. So clearly there is increase in stake by FIs and DIIs, and the promoter is consistent at 43.85%. So this is clearly giving a very strong and optimistic outlook on the shareholding pattern. And also we have already seen the strong growth data for sales, operating profit margin, earning per share, and along with that the basic fundamental ratios and numbers are also very good. So this is putting Marksans Pharma in a category where it can be called a all-rounder, and it is a very strong company, growing company with stable shareholding pattern. So fundamentally itself, fundamentals itself is suggesting that this is an investment worthy company and should not be missed. But now we'll check the price action and see why this week's the downfall, the small crash has actually put Marksans Pharma at a very good position for buying. So let's go to the price action. So this is Marksans Pharma in daily time frame, and if I enable the weekly time frame, we are getting to see such kind of pattern. Okay, so and you can see from the from June 2022, from the low point till the high point, it has already given 369% return in 560 days, so around 1.5 years. Now coming to the current price action, if I go to the daily time frame, you can see this is forming a channel. Okay, this is a kind of channel pattern, right? And why this level that has been touched last week is important, because it is aligning exactly with the 200 days moving average. You see here, let me remove the drawings. You can see this is black line is the 200 days moving average, and you can see the price has come closer to the 200 days moving average. And you can see after this red candle was formed, immediately a big green candle was formed. You can call it bullish engulfing, okay, but overall thing is that it is a bullish candle. Okay, that has been formed, and the next day, that was yesterday, Friday, another small green candle, clearly indicating that these two candles are indicating strength around this area. Okay, now let's check the volume around this area that was formed in the last 2 days. Okay, the volume is also looking strong. This big candle has a good volume, and that is above the black line, that is the moving average, and this small candle also has decent volume close to the moving average. Okay, 20 days moving average. So this is clearly telling that the strength of the stock is around this area, and it is near the 200 days moving average. And if you recall, we have done analysis on many stocks which were near the 200 days moving average and which rapidly went up. For example, would be data patterns, okay, which gave 73% return in just 19 days. I made multiple videos on data patterns. You can go to my playlist and check them out. And similar thing is happening here. Okay, Marksans Pharma is near 200 days moving average. Now, I'm not suggesting that this will also give a same rally. We should not keep that expectation. We should only do whatever we feel is correct at any given moment. What I mean to say is that it is near 200 days moving average, and this is the best place where you can buy a stock when you see strength near 200 days moving average. And we are getting to see the initial sign of strength for Marksans Pharma near 200 days moving average. Okay, and that's why it is a very good time to start accumulating this stock at this price. Okay, current price is 145.60. okay, so what I expect the price to do is it could go up to this level, 150, around this level, then again come back, and maybe it will stay somewhere near this middle line, okay, or slightly below the middle line. By that time, the 200 days moving average would have come here, and from here it could give a breakout and then continue its uptrend. Okay, so if you want to invest at confirmation, then you will have to wait for the price to break above the 150 level, okay, which will be a confirmation, right? 150 level or 155 maximum. Okay, around this level will be the it will give a confirmation that the uptrend has started. But if you are someone who believes in the fundamentals and is a long term investor and want to accumulate good stocks, growing stocks, then definitely you can start accumulating right now. Okay, it's up to you how much you want to invest, and you have to divide it 25% now, 25% after seeing some more price action, like that. Okay, the price will definitely come to 150, then again it might give a swing back again to 135 level maybe, and that will be another good opportunity to buy at lower price. Okay, it's up to you how you are going to divide. The overall thing is that it is at a very good level for buying. Any level between 135 to 155, okay, these levels are good. You can invest around this, and definitely you are going to see a breakout when the market becomes little bit of stable. Okay, so the fundamentals and technicals of Marksans Pharma are clearly giving us an opportunity to invest in a quality growing stock which is at a very good level for buying. So that's why, as wise investors, we should not miss out on this opportunity. So sorry, so that was about Marksans Pharma. And if you are watching the video so far and you like this analysis, consider hitting the subscribe button, and also like and share this video if you want to. And if you are already a subscriber, consider joining the financial member community if you are finding my videos valuable. Now it's time to go to the next stock, and that belongs to the infra sector, and that is Man Infra Construction. Okay, so this company is a very good company in construction sector, in infrastructure. Okay, and today I'm going to do the complete analysis and give you the overall view. Okay, so coming to the current market price of Man Infra, it is 186.10. Okay, it has a market cap of 6,900 crores and reserves of 1145 crores and a debt of 216 crores. That's why the debt to equity ratio is good at 0.18. Now if you see the last 3 years average sales growth, you will be shocked to see it is at 92%. Okay, no other company in this industry is even close to this number. Okay, let me just scroll up and show you. No other company. If you see macrotech developers at minus 8.7%, rvnl, which is growing so strongly, is still at 11.76%, ncc at 20.45%. I have done a video on ncc as well. This is also a good stock. Okay, you can go to my playlist and check it out. Okay, then other companies are also far below 92% sales growth. Now coming to 3 years average profit growth, 237.58%. So this is a mind blowing number in increase in profit. Okay, and average earning per share growth for 3 years, 237.60. So these numbers itself are suggesting how strongly this company is growing. Okay, now coming to return on asset and return on capital employed. So you can see these numbers are looking pretty strong. 12.50 is the return on asset average, and you can see no other company is even close to this number. Now return on capital employed 24.76, again no other company is close to this number. So these numbers are clearly painting a beautiful picture for the fundamentals of Man Infra Construction. Interest coverage ratio 12.94%, very good number considering this is a construction sector. Okay, current ratio 3.03, excellent number I would say. Okay, operating profit margin is at 24.30%. This is very good number. Now coming to promoter holding, 67.19% is the promoter holding, which is also excellent. Odd-man Z score at 9.05. The fundamental numbers and ratios are looking simply excellent considering this is a construction sector company. Okay, normally they do have high debt and all these things. These are some of the problems which they have, but here in this company no such problem is there. It is behaving like a normal IT company which do not need any debt. Okay, so this is a very good sign of growth and a strong fundamentals company. Okay, now coming to year on year profit and loss, again we'll consider the last 3 years growth. Okay, so in March 2022 the sales was 961 crore, which went up to 1890 crores, so almost double you can say. Okay, then it dropped slightly in the trailing 12 months to 1647 crores. Okay, now coming to operating profit, 248 crores to 414, then 400 crores in the trailing 12 months. But we are getting to see that the operating profit margin went down from 26 to 22%, but in the trailing 12 months it has gone up to 24% again. So that's why in spite of decreased sales, still the company was able to generate almost similar operating profit like the previous year, 414 crores. This is 400 crores almost. Okay, now if we see the earning per share, we are clearly getting to see a growth, 5.83 to 6.96, then 8.54. So this is also suggesting that the company has been growing strongly. Okay, now let's go to the shareholding pattern. So we'll consider the last 3 quarters numbers. Okay, June, September and December. So 67.19% was the promoter holding in June, which went up to 67.15%. Then again it went up to 67.19%. So the promoters are increasing their stake. This is a clear sign that they have full confidence on this company, and that's why this stock at an ideal level is definitely worth buying considering the fundamental itself and all. Okay, and now the FI is holding, this has also been going up 2.39% to 3.72%, then it drops slightly to 3.50%. Now DI is holding 1.67 to 2.10, then 2.09. So almost it is same, 2.10, 2.09. So clearly there has been increase in interest by the promoters, FIs and DIs, everyone. So clearly giving us a picture that this company has a promising future, right? So the overall outlook of Man Infra Construction is clearly telling that the stock is fundamentally very strong. The numbers are very good. It has been growing strongly and the shareholding pattern is very optimistic. Okay, now let's go to the price action. So I will go to the Man Infra Construction's chart. Okay, and this is Man Infra Construction in daily time frame. So you can see here in the month of November we got to see a big gap up here. Okay, and now it seems like this gap has has been closed. Okay, and let's measure how big this gap up was. Okay, so 12% in a day. Okay, that's a big move, and you can see consistently it kept going up from that point. Okay, sorry. So now we can see for the past 1 to 2 weeks this stock has been falling after hitting around 250 level. Okay, more than slightly below 250. No, it has hit 250 actually. Okay, the high has been 250. So it has been falling for quite some days, and last week has been falling rapidly. You can see 3 back to back red candles here. Okay, this is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 candles, and then we got to see a big green candle which almost engulfed the previous red candle. Okay, and also the following candle that was yesterday clearly showed the strength. Now why this level is important? Again I will enable the 200 days moving average, and you can clearly see this stock aligning with the 200 days moving average and getting strength near the 200 days moving average. So a fundamentally strong company, growing company with strong shareholding pattern, which is available at 200 days moving average. So what else do you need? Okay, this is a perfect, this puts Man Infra Construction at a perfect level for buying. But as smart investors, obviously we are not going to dump the entire money in one go in this stock. We have to see the price action. So looking at the short term trend, which has been bearish, you see the short term trend has been bearish. Seems like Man Infra Construction will need 1 to 2 more swings to gain strength and then give a breakout somewhere above this level and start going up. Okay, now if you are a long term investor and you want to accumulate this stock at a low price, because you definitely believe in strong fundamentals and the future of this company, and also about the construction sector of the companies in India, then definitely you can start accumulating right now. You can divide your investment ratios as per your own wish and strategy, 20% now, 30% now, whatever it is. Okay, but definitely you should start accumulating. Okay, and very soon in coming few days or few weeks, I am pretty sure that this stock is actually going to form a level here. Okay, temporary resistance, then give a breakout above that, and you will see by that time the 50 days moving average would have started giving it support. So now let's see what is the status of 50 days moving average. So now you can see it is above the price action. Okay, and by that time it gives few more swings. Definitely this will come here, and then when it starts turning upward and the price stays above it, that will be the perfect level for buying. Okay, that will be a confirmed level, perfect level for buying, and also by that time it will be getting good support from the 200 days moving average. Okay, so that is the key takeaway, that both Marksans Pharma and Man Infra Construction are at a very good level for buying. They are near their 200 days moving average. Also the fundamentals are very, very strong. As if you watch the full video, you know how I showed you that how strong its fundamentals are and how strong the shareholding pattern is. So it's a very good option for investment and at a very good level for buying. So definitely start accumulating both of the stocks from now. If you want to only invest after a confirmation, that is also fine, or if you want to divide it, that is also fine. Invest some amount now, keep the remaining for the confirmation, anything is fine. So I hope this video was helpful and informative to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.